welcome back. In this tutorial, what I want to show you how to do is to create some text that has an opaque background on it that will just overlay over the video. There's a simple way of doing this, and what you need to do is first you need to open Keynote right down here. So we're going to use Keynote to do this. So you open it up. We want to do a new document. We want to choose just a blank presentation slide, so we can just create that. I'm going to get rid of all of this stuff here on it. And then I'm going to create just a text box with some text in it. So maybe for this first text, we just want to put like a welcome to my video. Welcome, let's make this caps, to my video sign. We can make it maybe a little bit bigger here. Click on text. I'm going to make that kind of a bigger font size. Maybe move it there. It doesn't really matter where you move it onto the slide, but for purposes of working with it, it will. Now, the other thing, I like to kind of do a contrast with my kind of call out text so that it will jump out from the video. So you'll see like here on this video, there's a lot of darkness, black kind of screen. So we would want a text that would contrast with that. So probably black is not the right text here. So I'm going to change my text color to maybe a gold or maybe an orange. I'm going to bold it. That'll make it kind of stand out a little bit more. And then maybe I want some shadowing and maybe some outlining around it. So I'm going to go over here to this wheel that says show more text options. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to do an outline. You can also change like how big of an outline you want, like the size of the line value by changing the point number here. So I'm going to change it about to maybe a 2 or a 3 point. I'm going to put a shadow under it. That looks kind of nice. And then the next step that I'm going to do is I want this to be overlay on top of the video. So I don't want this white background. So to change that, I'm going to go to Format, the slide, and I'm going to change this color fill to no fill. We don't want the fill. So this is an important step. So you want to make sure that you don't have any color fill, so that it says no fill here. Then you're going to go over to File, and you're going to export this slide as an image. Now, the default image is JPEG, but you do not want to do JPEG. You want to select a PNG format. So select PNG and then export with transparent backgrounds. So we want to make sure that that is selected. And then we're going to save it. I'm going to go ahead and save it to My Documents. And then I'm going to export it. We're going to go ahead and minimize this slide because we're going to use that again. And then we're going to go into My Documents right there and click this folder here, Welcome. And there's the welcome text, and let's put it at the very beginning of our video right here. Okay, and there it shows up. I'm going to get out of that right here. You can see right there. Now, we want to make sure that you select it. So it's unselected right now. We want to select it. If we wanted this text to show up for a longer period of time on the video, say 4 seconds is too fast, then we just make this longer by lengthening that little box. So now it's going to show up for 9.3 seconds. Now let's say that I wanted to change where the video text appears on my video. So again, we're going to make sure that we select the text right there, and then we go to Crop, select Crop to Fill, and let's kind of bring this down a little bit so that it's a little bit more tighter around the text. Okay, so that's good. And then we go right here to Video Overlay Settings. Click that. The default is that it's going to be on cutaway, but we want to change that to picture-in-picture. Okay, so now we can move this text anywhere we want on the thing, on our video. That's still very, very small. So to make it bigger, we just grab one of these little purple blue dots there and drag. So that makes it bigger. We can make it as big as we want. And then we can just kind of position it anywhere we want on the video. So that looks pretty good right there. And then we're good. So then we can play it to see how it works. So if we go back here at the beginning, okay, so there it appears, and it's gonna play for us. So that's a really simple way to, again, create some video or some text on top of the video, overlay it on top of the video without any background behind it. So hopefully that helps you understand how to do that.